Hey family and friends, on this beautiful day that has been given to us, Uncle Grandpa Haven here, part-time solar cruiser. Cheers. Don't have my green tea right now. Well, family and friends, Uncle Grandpa Haven, I'm officially old. What I'm talking about, I've been old. But I'm here in Nashville, Tennessee by the airport, and I'm in my room about to edit some videos, and I hear some noise. Sound like my cousins playing some noise, and but it was crisp and clear. A little bit of that old school R&B, and then that new school gyration music. You know, I don't really listen to it. My ears are too sensitive for it. Yeah, but I had to go see where that noise was coming from, and so I walk across the street here. I can hear this noise in my room. I mean, the speakers were clear. So I go across the street and I see a Slingshot Fest. Family and friends, I'm so out of touch. I'm thinking it's a slingshot. I'm old school. I'm like, man, they really making a big mess over this slingshot. I go over there. I have no idea. Family and friends, I haven't driven in 17 years. So I'm out of touch when it comes to vehicles. All I know is Uber, the app. So I go over to the parking lot. They got a Slingshot Fest. It was a nice scenery. You know, what is it, slingshot, Polaris, combination of looking like a car and a motorcycle. Here go one coming by now behind me. See if you see it coming by. Let me see. Did you see it? Yeah, so I didn't know nothing about no slingshot, yet alone a festival. And man, so it was, I don't know how long it's been going. I haven't done my research to see how many years it's been here, but they had a few sponsors here. I saw Hattie's Beads over there, and I saw a couple other motorcycle car stylists, custom shops that's over there. But man, now I know why my sons be laughing at me. I used to be hip, be hooked on that, but I travel so much, I don't pay attention to this, and I don't like being around crowds that much either. Nashville, Tennessee, what's this, the 7th through the 10th, they having a Polaris Slingfest, and some beautiful vehicles out there. I tell you, they did a nice job. Anybody out there familiar with slingshots? Anybody know Black Mamba? She had a nice one. Excuse me. She had a nice one. Who else did I see? Pac-Man had a nice one. So there was some good vehicles over there. I'll probably go back, but I don't stay around too long. Well, family and friends, I'm gonna leave you with a couple of these shots here. So I check back with you. This is just a short video. I just wanted to touch base and show you what I found here in Nashville. I like to find little hidden spots, local gems. You know I like my tea. So didn't find a tea shop yet. But again, I'm gonna leave you with a couple shots of these videos here. I'll see you again. Cheers.